Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two crypto price listening apps or tools. First one is CoinGecko and the second one is CoinMarketCap. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products, and at the end we'll try to find out which one is better. So let's start it away with CoinGecko. Operating since 2014, CoinGecko is one of the go-to sites for live crypto prices listings. Alongside this, CoinGecko welcomes new crypto users to the community with educational material, yield gain calculations, and interactive giveaways. When first landing on CoinGecko, Bitcoin defaults as a top cryptocurrency with the largest market cap and network. However, there are thousands of coins out there to discover. Without the correct tools to refine your search, shifting through projects after projects can be tiresome. And that's why CoinGecko has categorized all the different characteristics of tokens to allow users to see wealth of different data points and information relating to crypto markets. You can run it on your mobile phone or, as you can see, on the computer, and buy the very educational material. Once you logged in, you have when you click on this little cookie jar or your candies, you can collect the candies every 15 hours. And we can check the rewards. And you can see, for example, for 800 candies, you get 10% of the CoinGecko swags. Then how to DeFi beginner, and basically unlock the learning material that the CoinGecko provides, and that's what I really like about them. So when we want to go back to the CoinGecko, we see what we expected, and that's the basically cryptocurrencies market. And as you can see, are highest than the lows of the crypto world, and then we can basically proceed. Let's try it on, for example, SNX. Oh, it's not nice, but we are back. We can see that what it's worth now, and it's down 2%. We can see the live chain of SNX. Also, what is really nice, we can see the markets where you can buy the SNX, especially. For example, eToro, Gateo, obviously Binance, and you can basically separate them by price, spread that 24-hour volume, for example, or volume percentage. And as you can see, you can really find it basically almost everywhere. So it's basically accessible in every country. And that's what I really like. Obviously, you can compare it, sell it, buy it. As you probably thought, you can do anything with it. Then about the CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is the world's most referenced price tracking website for crypto assets in the rapidly growing cryptocurrency space. Its mission is to make crypto discoverable and efficient globally by empowering retail users with unbiased, high quality and accurate information for drawing their own informed conclusions. And it works pretty much very similar like CoinGecko. This is too close, but you see how the life of Bitcoin is going, and you see all the highs and lows. And for example, Avalanche AVAX is rocking the world right now. Also Crypto.com coin. But you can see the life cycle of every cryptocurrency that they are working with. Then you have trendings, biggest gainers and recently added. For example, Day of Defeat, Cake Tools, Baby Meta. But when we check the Bitcoin, as you can see the life cycle, their highs and their lows. Bitcoin price, estimated price change 24 hours, 24 hours estimated low and estimated high, trading volume market and dominance. And that's pretty much it. I mean, both of them are very accurate. I would go with CoinGecko just because of the chart, and you can basically learn more about it, and all that material that you can basically learn how to do stuff and how to create and solve the market issues with CoinGecko. If you have more questions about it, please leave a comment underneath this video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Have a nice day.